Hey, what's up, Sterenies, Mr. Nation, and to my players. Welcome to the Nayful Podcast, episode number 71. We are coming at you live at the blog, Electronic Solutions. And if you want to use these podcasting studios, you can send your email at admin@electronicsol.com. Today in the studio, we are joined by a special guest, well-known from TikTok. I think we are well known from TikTok.
Family,
Family. Okay. Sis Lusanda, a spiritual awakened individual.
Yes.
Chesa. African death doula. Zininzi as concepts that we're gonna learn from usisi namhlanje. Ndizokunika chance uba ubulise uzintroduce igama ifani. I don't know if you subscribe to his duko now kanye xa ukule journey yakho you don't.
No, it's okay. Le journey it's not about hating us or anti something.
Okay.
It's just that I'm not fully invested, but fully invested in who I am now, and also connected in nature, the ancient way. It's not like I do, but I'm not fully invested in such, because my who I am and my being is not about that.
Okay. Ungabulisa ke abantu igama nifani isiduko. Friday namhlanje. Yeah, I think 17 something class.
Mandisibulisele kuni Mzu Onsundu obani ndazi ke bantwana basekhaya ukuthi ndilapha namhlanje ndizokhe ndihlale noNey noCamaku kesi nindazi nikhule ndifikile emdantsane ndibuya emazweni oko nanchiphile ndizoza sisa kuni nani nikwazi undamkela Mzonsundu. Mandizibulisele kuni nani kwifamily yam ekhaya pha apho ndidume khona. Ndiyayazi bani zoba excited xa ndibona lento. Enkosi kakhulu Camaku.
Okay, igama efane isiduko.
Ndingulusanda Hoyi, umzukulwana woChawe, umzukulwana woDlamini, umzukulwana woGadebe, umzukulwana woJwaga, because umuntu umaxhanti mane. So those four ndihamba nazo apho ndihamba khona.
Oh, awutshatanga.
No, I've never been a person yemichato.
Oh, a relationship.
The gift nje ayidibani I of course ndizenzile izinto nabantwana, but I've never been those. I think ndijike kwi-altar 3 times because into edibene nomtshato nje the gift refuses ukuthi uqale ube committed to another lineage ungekavuthwa kulento uyiyo wena.
Altar uthetha literally okanye
like fiance, like I'm saying, like kuzolotyolwa, I cancel at the last minute. 3 times I did that. So
same person okanye different?
No, different. 3 guys.
Kulo qala uthi kwenzeka ndo?
The first one, it happened ukuthi ndibaleke, like ndingumuntu ovele ndithi xa sekusondele ixesha ndingalungi ndivele ndiphume kanje umuntu andike.
Okay.
Like, and I like in my mind I'm like, yo sahlala lo muntu for the rest of your life.
Okay.
Like ndicinga ezo zinto zinjalo. So ayingomuntu oye wazi igaphe emtshatweni, but the biggest one ileba uthi ekhaya kulindiwe ngoSeptember bakuzolotyolwa my third fiance. Xa kuthiwa kuzolotyolwa ekhaya ngoSeptember and we fought, and mna ndamkhalala ndahamba ndaphuma endlini. Like that was it, kwaphela ngayo. So I've never been a person odibene nento zemitshato. And also apha egambeni ndafumanisa ngokukhula and also awakening, getting answers, because what happens in awakening, you go back and ask yourself, why kwenzeke so? What is my soul here for? Then you understand, oh, your soul is here as maternal. It's going to be long.
Okay.
It's going to be long. If I explain it, we'll go deep. Masesi Pambil, you can ask me ezinye izinto.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, I guess these titles, spiritual awakened individual. What do you mean, Galon?
Okay, a spiritually awakened person, Camaku, xa sithetha ngomntu spiritual awakening, we're talking about someone that actually grabs inkolo yabo as their own. Banga rely on reading something. When people are talking about a spiritual awakened person, they're talking about someone that actually doesn't follow a belief, but follows a knowing. Something that you know that this is happening. And also, because I'm also an African person, I know that my ancestors lived. It's not a belief. It's something that I know, that abantu basekhaya badala babephila. So idlozi or umuntu ongasekhoyo ukhona. Uyayibona lento nditshoyo. Then I don't rely on books. And then the plot twist with spiritual awakening is me not also ndithi nca nalapha esintwini kakhulu, because nesintu apha ekukhuleni ngokomoya ndiye ndabona ukuthi naso sinako ukuhamba ngokungathi incwadi ebhaliweyo, instead of actually seeing the signs, because now I live by the signs. Before I came here, the time I left and went to the shops, I checked my time. I used synchronicities. I use synchronicities. They guide me. I'm in the right space. That time I wanted to go home. I'm saying, I want to go home. And I'm looking at my time, and my time is like 16:16. I'm like, okay, let me hang around the highway. I know what it's meaning. I live by the signs. I connect with the sun, the earth, everything. The pillar, the plants, and all these things. Njengumntu oconnecta nendalo, uqobo lwabo, connecta kanjalo. So a spiritual awakening, Butwam, is you following, in knowing, not you connecting to the higher self, ukuthi ungubani. But ke mna, I refuse to let go of izinto ezinjengoqamata. Some of people that are fully blown spiritual, okay, when they speak about this, they say, bona, we are God's selves. Yes, we are gods, but mna, I still believe that there is a higher one than us. Like there's a source out there, right? That omkhulu bethu babe oqamata babe hamba bayoba bayezintabeni bayoba. So I connect with that. Some people do not. When they are spiritual awakened, they like yabon umntu
one dimension.
Yeah, and there's nothing wrong, because each soul here is zele uzophila ngohlobo lakhe. Hence I do not have issues mna nomntu onenkolo yakhe. I'm not an antichrist, I'm not an anti-ndondo. No, I understand that each person, his soul ethile izodlala indawo yayo ethile emhlabeni. Mna ndizodlala le ndizoyidlala.
Okay. Okay. African death doula.
Yes, I'm an African death doula. Let me tell you what happened to become one. Kulendlela ndihambile when I come up, because when you are spiritually gifted, because from a young age I knew ukuthi ndi spiritually gifted, how I was told ukuthi ndizalwe njani, ndize njani emhlabeni, and growing up saying things zenzeke and dreaming about things zenzeke. So it was clear from a young age ukuthi I'm spiritually gifted, right? We are all spiritual. Remember that. We are spiritual beings having a human experience. But now there are people who have spiritual gifts, which ndingomnye wabo. So apha kamben kwexesha you uhamba ubetheka, because awuyazi nditsho incwadi impilo ithi umntana xa ungumXhosa obvious ufuneka ube ligqirha, right? Ufuneka ube ligqirha ukuze uba une spiritual gift. So nam ndibhampile kwezo ndlela. But mna I lived in Joburg, as you know, for a long time. So at Joburg I went 2021 ndayohlala ePhehlweni. So that's where I realized ukuthi unconnect nalento. Because what's nice about my spiritual is you going to do things and realizing which I don't connect with this. I also want to speak about Christianity. I was raised by utamkhulu wami uGT Hopper apha eTopia. Ndingumntana ozalelwe ecaweni. But when I grew up, I used to go ecaweni. Xa ndibona la cross phaya eCatholic yayazi mos eTopia kuyaguqwa kwenziwa that thing phambi kwe cross, and I'll be like, tamkhulu, why should we do this? Like kutheni funeka yabona ndikhule ndingulo mntana unjalo. And then also nakwisintu still I'm like, why kwenziwa into eso? Then ndahamba ke 2021 ndayohlala ePhehlweni for a year pha. Anditsho ePhehlweni ufika ufundiswe inhlolo
ukuhlola
anditsho mna ndithetha isirhawuti kakhulu ukuthi bathi intoni amathambo.
Okay.
Like ufundiswa amathambo kubana kwenziwa kulahlwa amathambo. So when I was there I realized ukuthi mina xa kulahlwa amathambo I don't see anything and connect nala mathambo. Instead I can look at you and tell you your problems. I can just by looking at you, I know that you are a nervous person. Like I can just I don't need to be looking in a book, or I don't need to be looking. But paya ezinhlolweni kukho i-dice pa. Then I connected with Nela dice, and then I realized ke apha ekukhuleni ukuthi I'm a numerologist. Like you learn those things. Ubani ufunda uba i-gift yakho ingantoni na. So apha ke ngoku ekuhambeni kwexesha nda walk out ePhehlweni anditsho kubakho lamini abantu funeka bahambe bayothwasiswa. After a year, after realizing that I connect man lento, and there's so many signs every time xa kusondelela xesha kuthiwa izaba intwaso yethu kubakho uGobela uyagula ntontoni, and there were so many issues ezenzekileyo between mina noGobela singavani with my other group, to a point that we walked out after a year of sitting there. People are asking me, why did you stay a year? I wanted to, like, kaloko ufuna uphume endaweni nje yaba nenhloni ukuthi yabo ngathi kuzawugxekwa nalba ayakana no heal kutheni lento ezo aka connecting us nakulanto, like kunenhloni zoba uzawubuya ungayenziwanga lanto, but kwala to a point that I had to come out, and bese kukubi because besendibhitile ndidlisiwe ndingasavani uGobela, to a point that besendibuye ndibhitile, like besendigula, like ningasekho right mentally, because ninzi into yenzeka pha. That you walk out. When I walked out, that's xela ukuthi yazi intoni, ndiyile caweni and connecting necawa, ndiyile Christianity, ndiyile kwi-African Church. I-African Church nayo i-rules zayo zikhona nje into endingadibani nazo. Ndiyile ePhehlweni zintathu ezinto. Yazi intoni, I'm going to sit at home ndidiniwe ngoku kujikeleza sahlalele endlini. Ehlaleni kwami endlini, this is where I started researching kuba ke ndine background ye journalism. I started researching about other things that can explain who I am. Like ngifuna answers ngihamba ndingubani kahle kahle into lento yenzeka kum. Like kutheni mina ndi odd ndingafani nabanye abantu. So what happened is that man ndisendlini, I started checking izinto nafumanisa ba there's something called self-awareness, where you sit with yourself, uhambe uyodecode how you were raised. But I don't want to dwell on such because I'm healed. I sat down with myself, and then the self-awareness, and started to be this funde now ukuthi ndikhuliswe kanjena. The reason that mhlambi ndingumntana othanda ubrega, it's because I was abandoned by my parents. I was raised as umntana ongeyo favorite kwi-family landikhulela kuzo zasekhaya, and then that thing left me with that thing yokuthi ba people pleaser. And then njoba ndi people pleaser because I'm from a family ethi xa umuntu onemali ongenamali imjongele phansi, like my mother didn't have money, everyone else had money, so ndingumntana womuntu ojongelwa phansi. So xa ndikhula, I'm starting to close that gap bana ndibreke, you understand, ndiyabreka mna ndifuna ubonwa xa ndisendaweni. Then self-awareness, this is what it does. Igamba iyokugrumbisa ezazinto uba why do you behave like this, why unjena, why uthi xa uhleli nabantu uncancazele, why ungazithembi, why you are not self-confident. You go back and see uba ngonda ndimncinci kwakuthanda uthiwa ngam, ndandigezelwa mhlawumbi kuthiwe ngumadlebe, yabona into ezinjalo. You go and decode. And then as time goes by, busy self-awareness coach. Fast forward to 2023, I get a call that my mother uyagula, ubethwe si-stroke, ne? And we didn't have a good relationship because I was never her favorite. But sendimxolele already kuba ndikhula, self-awareness is gonna make you forgive people and all that. Like you're gonna understand that abantu nabo bebene issues zabo. Like you get to understand why people behave in a certain way. Ndingadibana nomuntu pha phandle andithuke, I don't get offended because I know that person, whatever they're doing, has got nothing to do with me. It's like inside them. It's something about like these are the things that you get from a self-awareness. Okay, let's run to 2023. Tamago. Anfika ku 2023. Ndiyafonelwa umama uyagula, uwile, une stroke, kuba ke shem ebene chronic disease for years. Benmanensiza nge-holidays, but besenimgqibele kudala ke ngenxa ye-issues ze-family. You know, siyabhaca mosemazweni kuba sidinwe izinto ze-family that you also growing, yabona. So ndize 2023 June, ndifika umama mnyani ene-stroke, akanamntu umuntu one-stroke ufe icala, akakwazi uzenzela nto, uyatyiswa, unxityiswa inapkeni, uyathini. And then I started ukuyenza lento. And remember remember that ngumama ongandikhulisanga lona, but in that journey now, because I'm self-aware, right, I'm getting messages like of everything that is happening. But the reason that is happening, this is your real initiation. This is exactly what you are here for. Uzokwenza lento. Hayibo ndizoba i-caretaker yomntu ozawusweleka ogulayo. I don't know ubuzawusweleka, but obviously ndimphuphile ezintweni exesheni elininzi. So ngala xesha asweleka sihlale agule Camagu until ngenye ininzi into yenzekileyo between us. Ngela xesha agulayo kumnandi, because it was the first time in my life that I bonded with my mom. And kumnandi, sizincokolela, kuhlekwa kumnandi. So what happened is that njoba ndihlala naye sihleli soyi-2, abantu beqhela uhlala naye iminyaka ebengasihoyi ehoyene neetshomi zakhe nabo be-far away. And every time akhalaza ndimxelela uba sisi, there's a reason this is happening. I believe that this is how we're gonna mend our relationship. Like mna since bendiqale i-self-awareness ndizotestwa ubana am I really healed na, like ndikuxolele na, unaware uba this is actually bigger. Okay, okay. Camagu, and then what happens is that mandihleli no mamam xa ndilele kwiroom le yami phezulu yena uyayazi masizindlu lasemdantsane. Xa usithi phezulu abantu baciphana uhlale upstairs. Iforum zasemdantsane like yeah, ndikulaa room incinci thina yethu, and then yena uzilalela kwiroom yakhe esezantsi. And mna ndikhule ndimntana mos njengoba ndiqala spiritual. I never believe in sleeping kwi-bed kamamam because ebelala nomyeni wakhe. So I never liked ukuba ndishare bed naye. Like I'm not that kind of a person. So I'm those kind of people, ndiyabhora like. So ndizilalela pha phezulu, and mna ndilala on the floor. I don't use a bed ngeli xesha. Ndipoop every time I have a dream, ne? I go downstairs, ndifika ndithi hey sisi, ndiphupha kuthiwa mandikwenzele umqombothi. And lo mqombothi mandikucelela impilo, andiphikisi. Athi no mntanam, supposisi bendikhona nami kwela phupha, kuthiwe ndivulele indlela. Ndithi no, andivanga kanjalo mna. Athi kuthiwe ndivulele indlela. Okay, apha kwameni kwexesha njoba ndihlele naye ndimane ndiphupha izinto. We dream alike. Ulale room nezantsi, mna ndilala kwiroom ephezulu. Siphupha amaphupha ayi-1. And then every time ndimbuza kanti kwenza kantoni, andixelela uba ndiphuphe ndinxibisa amacici kwathini like. But mna that time I'm sure I was physical more ndiyenza physical laa nto andikho kwi-spirit kanti yena uyabona indlela yakhe uba it's closer to the end. Mna I don't anditsho ndi-physical because there's a physical and a spiritual side of you. So xa usenza izinto like now sithatha kancinci le nto kanti the souls know what they're doing. So mamela so my mom, every time I dream, I go downstairs, we speak the same thing, like we share dreams. Like andixelela ukuthi xa kuzawufika umuntu, she will tell me ukuthi kuzawufika ubani bani ungamvuleli uphethe into esona so umdaka. Hayibo nyani within a short space of time kufika umuntu abantu umuntu azomkhwazela egate, hey sizobona mamakho, ndithi hayi akekho uthathwe ngudadewabo usemalinde ntondoni, ahleka athi yo ubabonile bagushile pha. Like she was so in spirit, abona izinto ezinye nami engaziboniyo kubani. But what happened in that time, iphupha lona belibayi-1. For instance, lento yalomqombothi, I've got a friend of mine, Babes, I saying to my friend, hey my friend, andiyazi lento enzekayo. Kutheni mani simane siphuphi into eyi-1, amane ndihleka yena uba hayi uzayiva. Then athi umamam apha ekambeni kwexesha andixelele into yoba no Lusanda, I'm actually trying to show you ukuthi the spiritual world iyaphila. Abantu kuthiwa simane kugezwa kuthiwa abekho nithuku kuthiwa ngamadlozi nentoni siyaphila, xa ndilele ndiyapha. Hayibo yeah, okay, but I've always into amaphupha nditsho ndikuxelela okay kwenzeke ke wena cama that on the 3rd of September, waking up ndiphuphile, ndiphupha esehla isteps ingathi sikwi-airport, wehla isteps mna ndiyenyuka, uthathwa ngumuntu ongumakhulu, uyamthatha uhla isteps bayehla mna I'm in a hurry, like ndingathi late for a plane. And then when I woke up that day kanti uswelekile ebhedini yakhe pha erumini esezantsi. And then when I started to be emotional, physical self starting to be emotional, kwafika into etshoyo uba this is your work, be dead Dula, go back to your life and check. And then when I go back to my life, I realized ukuthi hayi man, at the age of 9 years ndasolokela i-cousin yami edamini kwa-9 latshona pha emanzini, ndahamba ndayothetha emngcwabeni wakhe ndinxibe i-uniform. I remember that. Ndaswelekelwa isister yam encinci odwa, like I've always been surrounded by death, but I didn't understand what it meant. My best friend Ujanji passed on, and every time when someone is about to die, they come, I see them in my dreams. Even if I was usweleka now, it can be 3 months after or 6 months after, but I know when someone is about to die. So, and then
hey, ungajongi
mna. No, don't worry. And then I get told after this ungakhali, we're trying to show you ukuthi ngokuya ubumana uphupha naye besifuna ukubonisa ukuthi akahambi, it's only the flesh that dies, umoya wakhe yena uyaphila.
Okay,
if you want to speak to her uyathetha nomoya wakhe naphi na
uyaphendula yena.
We will go back to that. We'll go to that. So and it's just a fresh nagum, and I'm like, hey man. And then anchokubuya nezinye izinto ke ngoku ezinto zokucinga ukuthi hey man baninzi abantu endibaziyo abaswelekileyo, my boyfriend oBhazi, my best friends emdansane ananu beyamazi umfana othiwa nguBhazi waka-17, like people that were very close to me, like bensendizoyika nami ndiqonda ba kutheni xa ndiba close ebantwini abantu bathi ngathi bayasweleka. Kanti it's the gift, it's showing me. And aba bantu ababulawa yi-gift yam, ilanga lakho lifikile, but mna isoul yam chose to be around that so that izokhumbula ubana why am I here, because we are all here to remember who we are, what are we here for, isoul yakho izokwenzani apha.
Okay, so umphefumule kwazi ngolahleka.
Of course.
La concept ithetha ukuthini? Ulahleka kuphi koweni?
As in like ulahleke xa uya ngapha ya? What are you asking me?
Yes. Mhlawumbe sithi uswelekile kuthiwa umphefumulo wakho ulahlekile man ubani masame somthatha.
Okay, ixesha elininzi. I hope I'm not going to offend anyone. People bakholelwa kwinkolo ezibenza into bana ba rejectwe on that other side because remember that siphila kwixesha abantu babiza abantu abangasekhoyo ngamademoni. And then when you die, where do you think you're going to go? I'm sure when you believe that you're going to go where you were told you're going. But now I'm telling you as a dead doula that I've been in the spiritual world. My mom initiated me. I've seen these things. Uguti, they are real. I'm a medium. My consultation, I sit with people. If you like, because people do not understand the concept of all these things. So most of the time, izinto ezinjalo. It's how you wear apha kweli cala.
Or so mhlawumbe if mna ndithi hayi mna ndizikholelwa santo izinto ezithenteni
uyabathuka mose bathi bakwena uzoyaphi because umama umuntu ucela uba wayothathwa ngumama yakhe uthathwe ngumakhulu wehla na isteps mina xa ndimbona. So wena uzawuyaphi? You're gonna park somewhere until you get ulusanda, a dead doula, a mediumship, someone that's gonna be able to sit down and check ukuthi lo mntu kutheni kutheni kukho umoya ohluphayo ekhayeni, what is happening. And then I check with my cowries, with everything that I work with. I've got my own sacred things that I can't talk about in this sebenzayo that I see ukuthi oh ifamily yakho ithi, because kumbula that when you come to consult to me awuzanga zo consult bathini abantu basekhaya uzokwazi ngabako wenu mna basekhaya baza kum abako wenu baza kuwe. So what happens is that kuko ixesha elininzi wena Camagu is also abantu abenza izinto ezimbi, like i-soul zabo ufumanisa ba this soul was meant to transition up ayenza into ethile but umuntu afike enze something way far away from what they came here to do. Let me tell you what, for instance mhlambi umuntu yazi ukubona abantu basisela ukubona abantu basiselayo etywaleni kodwa ufanele umuntu wakhona indlela ashumayela ngayo and you sit and that person you understand that lo muntu lo bemebuphilisa abantu but uyayibaleka lento. Then these are the spirits that ezisokolisayo that xa ngofuneka baze kuthi we have to go and sikwazi umamela ukuthi bathini abantu bakowabo, and then let's say they will want mhlambi ukuthi sicela aqale uthatha izinto serious ekhayeni xa sibafikela mabangasithuki bathi singamademoni xa sithi xa kunuka umqombothi ekhayeni mabawenze like ezinye izinto sometimes they don't even want those things. Abanye khumbula ezinye isoul zomkhulu bethu zogogo nomkhulu bethu they were Christians and they were not forced into Christianity. Some of our people were not forced into Christianity. They were rejected zinkosi nentoni ngela xesha babe before Christianity ifike. I want to go to a book, I don't know if you know it, Chinua Achebe, All Things Fall Apart. Uba uyakhumbula kula ncwadi lenti kukho abantu abanjengoba iziqhwala disabled kids ne-albinos in the ancient times babethathwa boyolahlelwa ezintabeni bangahlali nabantu besoyikwa kuthiwa bamdaka. Uyayibona lonto le. Then omama babantwana neza souls will never want anything to do with isintu because baye bathini bazimela ngecawa bathe xa kufika belungu bazibaleka bayohlalela ecaweni. So yes baba khona ke wabafikayo bazothi sicela ukucama kumakambi icawe ucela baba makaye ecaweni. Uyayibona lonto le. And people expect that ndingayithethi loo nto that no I have to this is not about me. Kuzube kufika abantu bakoweni besithi ucamako makabe ngumfundisi. You understand? And then umuntu expect la nto everyone on a spirit funeka ndithi ambobaliqi no. And then another family will come and say umntana wethu sifuna anxibe intsimbi. Uyabona? But most of the time now that we are in this spiritual awakening, since kuye kwenzeka into ezimbi kwisintu abantu abaninzi they are being taken to bangaba prophet, like abantu banxibe ijasi zabo ezimhlophe and using ihlobo oxelelwa ngalo. It depends ukuthi kuyavunywa ukuthi wenza isintu or wenza African spirituality le izawulanda kokhokho bodwa or ukwi gospel na ukwi so injalo mntasekhaya. And then I got initiated, understand, by the death of my mother. But each and every time someone died that I knew, it was my initiation. But my mom was the last stamp. So this is when I woke up. Dead doula, and I'm like, what the hell is that? Like, I go to my phone, I check my indon go get dead doula. I check my indon dead doula, and then I see oh there's also yes dead doula. There's also opposite birth doula. Abantu abamkela umntana xa ifika. Do you know that?
No, I don't know. Benza ntoni ba utheni uzalwe right umntana and then bathi ubuza ba yintoni okanye?
Kaloku anditsho kudala thina sasingenazi midwives and ntoni, so we had birth doulas abomakhulu bethu ababe xa umuntu ezobeleka bamkela umntana, and then abelungu they still do. Umuntu ongafuna ubeleka esibhedlela, most of the time they use birth doulas mhlamba yobelekela endlini and stuff. The people that they use there birth doula.
Okay.
So mna ndinginkosazana yokuhlisa. Mna I'm a death one when someone is about to go home. Umuntu xa funeke welile, I'm the person that's gonna caretake that person. Ndimamele ukuthi lo muntu ukuze izinto zakhe amkeleke pha funeka ahanjiswe ngenkonzo, funeka ahanjiswe ngentoni, aqale enzelwe imiqombothi na, or kukhona into efuneka aziceliwe ntoni. But what I love about my work is that I do not do into engayivanga kwakulaa mntu leli pha ebhedini, because most of the time laa nto ibisenzeka kumamam njoba umamam besiphupha kunye. When I get a client that I caretake ezawusweleka, masiba I go yanqesha ugulelwa ngumakhulu ndiyohlala naye, ndiyomane ndisiya kuwe, ndimane ndiyomvisita, ndiyomhlamba, ndisithini, because we've got our own language. Nina ngela xesha nithi hallucinate, mna I understand what they're saying. Like anitsho umuntu uzabona amahlosi, abone inyo, abone ingonyama, and then when you be like uyagula umakhulu, mna I know what they're saying. Like sendiyayazi la language because my mom showed me everything. That's what I do, Mntanasekhaya, and it's a very, very rare gift. Kodwa, now that unbona pa TikTok, there's a lot of women that are coming out and saying, the reason that I have followers now, like people are so interested in this name is because most women now are finding out in Nabo banale gift.
Okay. Uyakwazi mhlawumbe, let's say ndisolekele umhlawumbe ngumama, ndiyabawela uyazi ba mhlawumbe ucinga ntoni as umoya wakho mhlawumbe uxolile na uphumlile, uyakwazi ukuhlanganisa.
That's mediumship ke ngoku.
Okay.
Right, which is also, this is like I'm being a medium between you and your mom. Yes.
Okay.
Of course, I can be able to do that. I get to sit, and sometimes when they don't come, because sometimes abanye abafuna ukuza, they're like
abasolekile abafuna uzochaza ba kutheni na.
Like there's a client eyayaza izokufuna ukwazi ngomzala wayo, so antsho awunixeleli ba uzokuthini na, mina I see ukuthi uzothini, and then I see ukuthi lo mzala wakhe, first thing that woman did, because what happens is that I dream about, if unzaba ne consultation now ekusasa, I wake up ndiphuphe something or a vision that I've seen which kwenzeka lena le, and then xa nihleli now, like even the signs, can remember that I live by the signs, then I'll see today kwenzeke lena le, and then I'll be able to know ukuthi that was the spirits trying to say this. For instance, when I say umama ukuthi ufune kumtshela KFC ugqibele like uzekhe kunuka KFC endlini, you know. So this client comes and
uyakwazi utya kunuka.
It's a spirit, man.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Like,
so
that's why ndingavani nabantu be tradition, because njengoba bayagalela
bona babeke nenyama.
Akho wrong bayibeka la nyama, but like most of the time they just kufuneka zinukile zazinto and stuff yabo mhlambu or andisho there within you ababantu. Sometimes when I crave lanto beyithanda, it's the spirit actually saying ndim ngoku nifikile, like it's khalele mifino. So this client comes when athi ufuna ubona a cousin yakhe or whatever, and the spirit says andizapho ngicela into bana ayinguyo noza kum makahamba yoxela abantwana bami bengaba bazofuna into enjalo yabona. So they do say andizuyenza lonto leyo. And people ask you, like, people think that you know healing and stuff like that. It's a very complicated, but it's something that's going to be common for the next few years. Uzaibon.
Okay.
It's something that's going to be common. Yes, to talk about. But right now that you gave me this platform, there's going to be someone somewhere that's going to be like, oh my God, I relate with this. Because akekho umntu oyi-island, like wonke umuntu unepack yakhe azena emhlabeni. So ndakhula ngolo hlobo ke Camagu kule nto. So ndayamkela, and now as you can see ku TikTok I've said it ukuthi kudilika ubumnyama. I think in March I told people that I've been shown ubana this year. You know, I've been saying things. I've been like prophecies that have been happening. But what is happening right now? Abo minister but these are the things that go. There's proof. I said it. I said kuzakwenzeka so. Kuzabako izaba lixesha lenyani. This is the year number 9 when we come from in numerology, then knowing that so I see things that no one can see. I know when someone is gonna die of public, but I stay away from controversies. Only I only do it on my live, like the time Trump wile. I remember on live, I said it on live with my audience. I have a vision of him falling. Actually, I thought that he's gonna die. Yeah, so I saw him falling and stuff. So people were calling me, but hey, live. Yeah, so this in them nanding social media is proof that so people are starting to embrace who we are and the gift.
Let's talk about the rapture. Kaloku I think one busithi bana ufuna ucacisa uba utheni ngenzekanga and yintoni rapture otherwise kuzabe kusenzeka yinyani leyo ba kuzawufika ithini according to your understanding.
Okay, because I'm not a Christian. I have no right to stand here and say kuzawufika ubani azothatha abantu bachilo abachiloyo ndisho. I'm a spiritual awakening or awakened soul. The rapture that I know is the one that I'm talking about. Ngoku nizawuqala ukuzazi ubani ngobani. Nizawuqala uba spiritually awakened nina. Uzawuyazi ukuthi why did behave in a certain way, why I do this. This is the rapture that mna endiyaziyo ezayo ebantwini ngoku, where people are going to understand that ngoba nisokola iminyaka ndithukwa ndithintini kuba besikwi system inde into spiritual going. Remember that we've got the matrix and all these things. Yonke lento singathetha kuse. So the soul, what's happening? Souls, a lot of souls, as you can see now, we're all over now, all over social media, zonke social media. People are starting to take charge of their spirituality. This is the rapture that is happening. That people are starting to be bold. Abasazoyikiseli ngoku abasoyiki uthetha ngamadlozi abasoyiki, like abasamikoneni ngokuba ingathi kuzawuthiwa yintoni lento athetha ngayo. Like now this is the rapture that's happening. As for the other rapture, you ungabuza bafowethu, and adibikho nobikho mna inye into endiyithandileyo ngalento yenzekileyo yale rapture is the fact that
babanjiwe abo bantu
asoze babanjwe bazobanjelwa ntoni because by propaganda. that's what they want to do. They always want to people to fear. Yeah, but as an African person, I felt like it actually overshadowed Atlantic the day Tina as a celebrator as 23 September, a day that we celebrate is an African celebrate it's an African New Year. So happening each and every time is that date. Kwaqala kwawa i-towers kunyaka othile e-US
September 11
yonke la September kwahlala kune disaster, and I feel like there's something man eyenzekayo when it's close to bekho into edibelele nabantu base-Africa bazikhumbule bazicelebrate. So I feel like it was just a propaganda just to overshadow African New Year, and it actually did, because she went international. Thina because wasibona iLantic iDiwali yamandiya uyayibona ezindabeni xa be celebrate ama Muslims xa besenza into iRamadan uyayibona ezindabeni iLantic ama China xa besenza iChinese New Year uyayibona endabeni ukuyibona African New Year. You will never. Why? It's because siyanyathelo all the time, and obviously gets splitted even now, and ukwabaza go ben jog streaming tikumsikelele and stuff, like they feel like they are rara. But we are here to take back what was stolen, which is our African spirituality. We want it back. Not we want a slice of the pie. So funu respect one not as others. We are not here to trample on others. When we are like no, we are here to say Tina Bantu, but we are African spiritual. We give us our own platform, give us our respect also. This is the rapture that as an African spirit that I can say.
Okay. Also it's a session yalo mfana endifuna uyenza. Ndifuna ubuza 11-11. What does it mean? Because for the last I don't know how many years, 11-11 manifestation, things are aligning yonke lento yakhona, and then ke into ngoku social media yamngena by storm, and then ndabona kukho no 22 ngoku, and then I was actually izolo watching a video ethetha quantum physics. But quantum physics actually means all the person that you are exist in one realm. It's just that you have to align yourself.
Past, present, and future is one thing.
Yes. You have to align. The rich person that you think you can be is already here. You just have to align yourself to that person. La person I
can actually make a very beautiful Atlantic example for that, because I've experienced it.
Okay.
Yeah, I've experienced it. Past, present, just get deep, because I don't want to confuse the audience. I want us to speak the past, present, future. I'm going to talk about the 11-11.
Okay. I just wanna start from here. In my belief, in my understanding or whatever, in terms of it, whereby things happen now once at one time. Akukho past, akukho present. Ba kuthiwa manzi ayaza, ba kuthiwa mthi uba khona yonke laa nto yakhona. And then
going back to that,
because of loo nto kwafumaniseka uba with loo nto injalo, it's just that akukho nto enye except for le nto ithethwayo. Kwakho ke ngoku opposites, whereby night no day, male no female, black, white. Then kwakho ke ngoku leyo into, that's when uDiethi bingokaThixo, bingokwe the highest being, and then humans zafumana ke ngoku male no female ngoku kukho zona, and then ngoku ke ngoku kukho ixesha kwakho today no yesterday plus no tomorrow. Yes, coexist at one time, because namhlanje kuyizolo kwangla ngomso xa ungomso uthi kunamhlanje uthi bekuyizolo namhlanje kube kunamhlanje ngomso yabo. So in my understanding, I've always just understood it ngolo hlobo lobana I'm actually living yesterday, today, no tomorrow, with this 24 hours that I have.
We are back in that, in fact. 20, like it's like we no longer have 24.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
yes.
Like things are like. Grrr.
I think abesitsho usimntu ba hey
Yes, we are agreeing. Everyone is agreeing, and everyone is like, we are being taken back. We are awakening. Sihlale elangeni yonke into iyabuya ngoku. So what's happening is that kubuya indalo okudaliweyo kuyenzeka. Kubuyela lanto sasiyiyo ukudalwa. Not only black, for everyone that exists in the world. Yonke into ibuyela kwindalo. Sibonile, that's why I said I don't want us to go deep in matrix, kwacha kwavuta in izabande.
Okay.
This will need us to go. So I want us to talk about the time.
You're 11.
You want me to talk about the 11?
Yes.
Okay.
It's
actually, it's angel numbers, right? It's like guardian numbers. As I've said, Naga, this is how I use in numbers, Sam. How I, because in each individual, as I've said, this thing is an individual ndlela. Akuna ncwadi, because we are saying we're in the time of knowing, not believing. What you must do from now on, xa ubona 11 siyojonga ku TikTok ba ulusanda uthini nango 11 check around you ukuthi xa 11 kuzobe kusenzeka ntoni around me, yeba kuzobe ndiphi ndisenzani, because there's got to be a message ongayiviyo kahle. So imani ist nayi lanto besimane sithetha ku check around you ukuthi kwenzeka ntoni go 11. I just said to you 16. I know it's my number that says whoa superpazel. Yeah, like each and every number, you know, which xa ifika le yo ithini yambe mandim avoid umntu othile yabona. Like it has to make sense to you. It must not be told by someone, because if we do that, we're going back to religion. We're going back to reading things instead of experiencing things. We have to experience everything. Next time when you see 11 for the next week and everything, check what you're doing. What's the feeling within you? And then write it down. You must have a journal. Like write down things. Have a journal. That journal uzothi noba uyilibele into ubuyela uthi benibhale lento ngexesha ufumanise xa uphinda ubuyela ukuthi nayi lento mase bendibhale ngemini ethi, because as you say bengekho xesha. Time is an illusion eyafika yazosiblinda ukuthi sileqa, because nje bekufuna sifuna materials and stuff like sirojwe ixesha elide. There's the system that we that is collapsing right now. The system that is collapsing right now, that la prophecy ithetha ngayo ithi bumnyama budilikile, ithetha into bana la control besiphiliswa ngayo all our lives, where ukuze uzibone ungumntu funeka ube ne-Mercedes Benz, funeka uphangele uye esikolweni, ugqiba kwakho uye esikolweni, ufike esikolweni, ugqiba isikolo ufumane umsebenzi, uhambe uyothenga i-bond house, and then uthenge i-GLE whatever, and then you're sitting in your debts and stuff, and then funeka ube nabantwana funeka baye intona fashion yalapha kanene yosabantwana intona zazikolo zingapha
masterling
funeka abantwana bakhumshe certain. Those things are collapsing. Now we are going back to who we are, where we are being taken. Guti ngoku awuzuba na xesha la lonto uba ngoku usono wena camaku uhleli phako wenu une-board plants, you're going to be content. Kubuyiselwa authenticity, like ubuwena, without living in pressure of a society. Like, this thing is deep, man. It's deep. Like, it's a beautiful time to be alive.
Okay, I think we will not get everything in one episode.
Never. It's going to be like 30, 40 years.
I think ngoku we can just work with what we have, and then mhlambi after a couple of episodes you come back and then you explain enye into ngolo hlobo lakhona, because ngoku andiyazi noba sebethi now 45 up
jini ngu6
6 by ixesha bakho sebethi 30 minutes seqedile na okay ndicinga after 30 minutes okay ndicinga yena man yabo makaze ne
abefuna ndibuza imibuzo ixesha lakhe
no kaloku bendimbuzile ba ungakwazi na uthetha naye nje umchaze
ufuna ndimchaze
yeah okay yeah
ufuna nokuhlaza phakathi kwabantu
yeah okay
ndichaze wena
no
First of all, First of all, the gift is not mine. It must be respected.
Oh, so awukwazi ilawula
No, I can actually give you a few pointers with you. Clearly now up the energy, I've already picked it up.
Mm-hmm.
What I can say to you, start being confident. Yekuzoyiksela. Like yatatazela. Like you do not own the things that you do. You like buza all the time. Like you don't awuziva. Like uyazeya. That's an energy that I pick up already by sitting with you. Like you do not own something. You feel like yako. And then you need to own something. You are doing this. This is a big thing. Last time you walked to King, you remember Lando, you make a noise about it. But when are you like it's that can be bigger. And that goes to how you grew up. No,
I was actually not nyama, I was uncooler.
Because it hurt you to a point that usafuna, you need to heal the wounds.
Okay.
Go back to your childhood, heal the wounds, then you'll be able to own this time because this is big.
Okay.
This is like I see something that's gonna explode, but because you do not own the moment.
So it's about explode very long.
Yeah.
Okay. I think yes, I don't know, but yes, Wednesday. I think between those 2 days, we were actually saying that we were to shoot the episodes of my and see each other and it is to be man.
You have to be arrogant. Didn't I say I like that artist?
Yes.
I love people who are full of themselves.
Yeah.
They want people that are full of themselves because they attach with the like they can see, like now I'm very arrogant with my gift. No, born was TikTok. I'm telling him to like, why should I? And kaunjalo obvious abantu bayadikwa nguwe and they won't give you the likes as far as like the way I was saying Flash, this is the right time. Detect prophecy it okudaliweyo kuzokwenzeka kuyenzeka now okudaliweyo kuyenzeka. Most people abebengekho successful ngela xesha ndithetha ngalo le illusion nemoto nentoni izinto bezenzo. Most people bebengapanishwa and they were not late. The time is now where authenticity abantu ba relate kuwe because you are yourself and all that. Lixesha lakhona everyone that has struggled for the past 10 25 hey, what I'm seeing that's I need you guys to take serious Londonians leyo yapha Atlantic a king. And I also need you to have a structure. You're nayful. I'm talking from an energy perspective. You're nayful. For instance, you know that you have boxer. You don't boxer
boxing,
Wednesday.
Yes.
Like Wednesday, you're doing boxing. Artist Monday. I don't know what you're doing, but you need to have a structure. Once you do that, never podcast it shows because ndibuyisiwe benhlele eGauteng ndihleli kamnandi mne eGauteng nabantwana bami Ndibuyisilwe Eastern Cape and I'm like, ndizothina because sezilalini apho kuyabhora kumapha eJozi kuyabaleka kaloku. But I was being told ukuthi ubuyiselwe kwi-real life where you're going to be able to work with abantu ukwazi ubanceda uzunceda abantu baseGauteng uzonceda pha kowenu. And honestly bendina I think on TikTok ngexesha bengiseJoburg no bendandina 300 followers ndithanda ufika up yanibona nje phi ngo 22 point something and it's growing every time you go live it's like 30 I'm running to 30k the minute ndanyathela up nendumba yam like the consultations ziqala usebenza up Eastern Cape we are being taken back. Eastern Cape is going to be the next big thing between see undermine enough and there's so much talent here and there's so many things not only Eastern Cape Xhosas as people nje khumbule man basuka kude boyinsa nobobani I don't want to go deep see history yethu we are one of those people that are known ukuthi silwele ilizwe siwalwele amaze ngaphandle nje koMandela like going back to even aboyinsi inhloko zabe sama London kuba abelungu bebe kodwa singabona abantu banyathelwayo like singabona abagezelwayo singabona abajongelwe phansi singabona abane province ehluphekayo how when we hold the legacy of so we are being taken back for into ezinjalo not only Keshem amaXhosa ningabe arrogant everyone that is black that has suffered for the last decades but I'm back here to also push into ezinjalo bana come on guys lifikile ixesha it's our time now it's our time
yeah also you are well history we are in Ansik we are
of course I remember that I have a background in journalism and I wanted to be a political analyst. Even my eldest son when is a vet a political science student honors graduate the way sister ngakho politics kwam and history and all that I love those things.
I want to ask about now do you know what happened with uNongendi?
Nongqawuse
No, uNongendi is up at Dangan village. There was a nun kuthiwa ngesixhosa uNongendi nun. Yeah, nathi khanipalazwayo.
Bathetha ngomlungu nangoku.
Oh yeah, you ingxaki benifuna umuntu that can.
Mina sithethe ngomlungu.
Hayi andithi ngifuna sithethe ngomlungu.
History sinikwe ngba. Hayi sa. Ayona. Ba ubungicela ngoNongqawuse bese uncokola another thing anifundetha ngoNongendi mina naxesha ngoNongendi.
Okay.
Ba wabulala ixolo. If you were asking me about our people Nongqawuse the people that were twisted kuthiwe bathe bazawubulala bathe kuthiwe kodwa bayaziwa ukuthi uNongqawuse ngela xesha kokusenzeka lonto kwakufike amabhulu athenga umalume wakhe because he was already a Christian wathiwa twist umtshana because he offered hlala nomalume a twist umtshana and then what happened the whole women remember that in the olden times abafazi they were leading in prophecy omamnonkosi obani like you can count history uyanigodusa masiyeke now sebenza kudala
okay I think no I think yes this is what I'm more passionate about our stories being told by us than us hearing them from abanye abantu so and xa ndidibana nomuntu ozokwazi uyicacisa ngelihlobo icacisa ngalo ndiyavuya because
anything that has to do nestory esipromote umuntu omhlophe kodwa lesicindezelwe kwangapha hayi ndiyeke mntasi andiphendula lonto leyo ndixelele ngomuntu omnyama oye baphi abethu because we are gifted
unxele uphi
upholile ngondini uhleli nabadala unathini
akaloku ngathi kwade kwenziwa neqhalo lobana uyawulinda ukubuya kaNxele ukuza kaNxele nothi ubuya kwakhe
yabona ke ezo zinto zonxele nokuthini na honestly anything that is made to be a joke man ngabantu I get hurt mnas I feel like I don't know maybe it's like Because we don't know what happened for amagama wabo sesithetha kanjena ngabo. Then onsika ne onsika ne ababe bajika bangabe fulisi ibe ngabana babeka phezulu. There was so much distortion kwicala lesithukuthana. Abona abantu bebe right ngaba bekuthethwa ngabo kabuhlungu, abona bebe wrong ngaba baphezulu, because we're in the system yengcindezelo. Kusetyenziswa kwa odamkhulu aba bethu. Ukhumbule nabo inkosi zakudala, mina ndiyaziblame mntana sekhaya. That's why bendikhona ilantiki iprofessor benike ikhona apha ku TikTok. Ndike ndayikhupha ethi everyone that's from the royal family in this timeline anga break. You can't brag for uba ngumntana wasebukhosini, because inkosi zakudala they used to look down on people. Baba mnandi nefamily zabo babe nenkomo bethina abantu bethu behlupheka. So how can you be proud ba ubuya ku royal family njalo? Into isoul yakho ezoyenza apha izolungisa lonto. Awuzuguqelwa ngoku, akusaguqelwa zinkosi ngoku. Nina uba umntana othi nethi umuntu adibana nawe athi I'm from a royal family, umphoxe athi sa, because irole yabo ngoku kuba bazobuyisela ezanto zamoshwayo zinkosi zakudala. Singathetha kuso mntana sekhaya.
Yeah, no, singathetha kuso. Yay. Okay, I think let's have this one, ne?
Okay.
Abantu uchaza uba mabakufollowishe phi yonke laa nto yakhona.
Okay.
And then we drop this. And then I'll let you know when can you come back again.
No problem.
Whereby I have specifics.
Okay.
Ngoku we were getting to know
we're getting to
these
know,
concepts and who you are yonke laa nto yakhona. So when you come back now, ndizobe ndi-structure
because nokuchaza motivational speaker, MC.
Yes.
I've got a masterclass coming. I mean.
Oh yes. Ungathetha nge-masterclass ngoku.
Oh yeah, I've got a masterclass endizabe ndinayo East London beachfront. Andikabi sure ulupulwandle but benirhalela Eastern Beach ngoba benibawela la oHuggins ndisajonga uba yeyiphi indawo ezawufumaneka. So I've already had people that have booked KZN, Gauteng, that are coming for the masterclass. What am I doing with masterclass? Remember that I'm also part of Abantu. Since I healed my own wounds, so ba abandoned, bazala abanganikhulisanga abanganifunanga, and then that now lapho ndihlalisa khona fumanisa ba I'm that child that's not seen. So that pain, people want to carry on nempilo zabo. So the masterclass mainly is about that, and is our unlock, because once you heal from the pain, it shows ukuthi uzokwenzani apha. Like it will, because each pain ohambe kuyo wena tamako, I pain osuke kuyo was your initiation. Lanto kuthiwa intwaso abantu bami bayobhatala imali besithini because beworshiphana ne-human being enjengapho. Initiation comes from the pain that you went through, your trauma. So the masterclass is called transmuting pain into wisdom and power. Transmuting the pain that you got into wisdom and power. Then be able ukuthi uzazi bungubani. Mamela ke xa sithetha nge-spiritual gifts, asithethe ngento yobana uzoba njengolusanda, all of us. Some people are just going to be doing this. What are you doing? Omnye artist uyacula, spiritual gift eso. It's a spiritual gift. Artist ero. Yabona?
Okay, true.
Sikhathiwe kodwa spiritual gift into ba makulahlwa amathambo or mina ndikwazi ukufunda.
Okay.
Yabona? It's not like that. Everyone is gifted. Okay. But once you transmute the pain, le iphume ebomini bakho. So the masterclass is also, obviously it's a masterclass. I'm also going to be helping those who are spiritually gifted. How do you consult? How do you see? How do you read an energy? And then I'll also have mini consultations because I've got people that are coming from other provinces. So I have to spend time with them where it's like a mini consultation. Children under 18 down, free. I love kids. Free of charge. Bayangena, bayahlala. And then adults, 499.
Okay. It's a one day thing okanye it's a
one
weekend.
day thing. Yho, ndingapha uhlala nabantu weekend yonke.
Uhlala nabelwandle.
Yeah, we're gonna find a spot because I want us to do ezinye activities. There's a lot of things that I'm planning, but I want them to. I want to surprise them. There's a lot of things that I'm gonna show them. How do I spend my mornings? I wake up, Salamanzi, go talk to the sun. Like you, just a day with me.
Okay. And then if who's watching now, ubawula ukwazi more unezinye questions anosibuza angakufumana phi?
Okay, my number. Go to TikTok, Betunana. If you know TikTok and follow African Debt Doula, and then you go to my inbox. But I've got a number that I'm using for everything. It's 06. Should I give it?
Yes.
061 488 1741. Right? And then you can also go to my YouTube. Unkhayele Papari YouTube animsebenzi kakhulu but ungaya ndibakhona ebusuku. Check social media. Most of the people that I consult are from. I do a lot of online consultations from people all over. Yesterday this morning I slept at 4 because I had someone from Miami. Like just to give the direction from a mediumship side. So, and also, must I motivate? Like you are a big deal, I'll tell you. Picking up your spirit.
Okay.
All this because just to transmute the pain that is within.
Also, maybe in conclusion, the pain that the trauma that one has experienced has blinded or clouded their eyes to see themselves the way they should. So now, when you deal with a blockage, yalando yobana le pain ifike yakuthi elihlobo wena umsebenzi wakho ukususa la blockage umuntu azibone ngelihlobo bekumele ba isoul yakhe ithi bekumele ba uwenza ngolo hlobo.
I give you your flowers, but remember, I'm not a spoon feeding person. I need you to do the work wena qala. When I say ekseni mina ndenza so, nawe funeka ube khona nawe ukhona surprise ngayo. Yabona uvele wanicela ngo11 synchronous bengakwazi nobe yazazi izinto. Yabo, like it's look at the time. Yabona liyaziveza kodwa belimnyama. This is what happens when you are in alignment. It's like thumbs up what you're doing. This is the direction that we want for you. Just reading the signs. No need to read books. That were written by white people.
Okay. Masivumelane into yokubana namhlanje esisiqendu siyaphela apha. Give it mhlambi a month, you come back again. Nam send structure ishile ba so yes, how to proceed from here, and then from Leo we can see how do we then, if there are any questions about any of the things we've been talking about, Siyaphinda Explorer on the 3rd episode. So namhlanje ndicinga uba masipheze apha. Disuka kwenye episode ethetha ngeMauritius neTrongo. So ndiyacinga uba this must be enough namhlanje, and then we'll drop this. All the best on the 29th. Hopefully mhlambi ke siza after yona uzawuza okay, it was a success, ABCD. The next date mhlawumbe abanye abantu abazawuthi hayi sibone late thina izabe ngemini ethile yonke laa nto ekhona. So thank you so much for coming through. Yes, unfortunately I wish you get, because I believe you know your path.
And really something kaloku angothixo, remember angoqamata angothixo. Not really, something surprised me, but I react different.
Okay,
remember that I'm human. I'm physical. I react different. I don't react like you will. Like something will happen and just react njengawe mna, but I'm like mna xa wenzeka into uba nditshayiswe imoto ngathi no beyithetha ithini laa nto uyamenzakana ngihambe kwasastrato. Okay, sure. Bengabelezanga uba ndihambe ngapha. Okay. Andimbulisanga laa tamkhulu bendlule kuye.
Okay. Yeah, so this has been the Naifu Podcast, episode number 71. We are out.
I didn't say thank you, Kuwe. It's fine.
I know. 1 hour.
You?
This podcast has been proudly brought to you by Leptronic Solutions, recorded at the Block Studios. And if you want to use our facilities, get in touch with us on all our social media platforms, Leptronic Solutions. Email us admin@leptronicsol.com.